Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to do the air filter on my Honda. Now if you go to one of those local quick oil change shops, they might try to ask you if you're interested in having them change it. But I got this one off Amazon. It's a Purolator 1. Part number is A25657. It costs maybe, I don't know, $13, $15. And it's fairly simple to do. Let me go ahead and show you how to do that. I'm not sure how much the local oil change shops cost to do it, but anybody can do this. Not all vehicles are done the exact same way. This one happens to be 4 tabs you just lift up. Some are held on with Phillips screwdrivers, Torx bit screws. It just varies, different make and model. But here, let me show you how to do it on a Honda Fit. Got a tab here, tab here, tab here, and a tab here. Lifts up, slides out. That's the old air filter. It's pretty dirty. Oof, yeah. Don't know how long it's been since I changed it, but that looks horrible. So I'll leave that there. Go ahead and open the new one. So side by side, old and new, old and new. So let's go ahead and pop this back in there, just like that. Good, nice fit. Slide the airbox tubing first. Line it up. Flip the tabs back up. That's it. That's all there is to it. So, hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.